What's up guys, welcome back to another glorious day. Absolute perfect way to get out on the bike today. And I'm actually on the way to my friend's house at the moment. Oh friend, oh motorbike friend, oh friend. So, I'm going to be talking about how I got into motorbiking. The first moped I had was when I was 16. It was a CPI GTR 50cc. I rode that back and forth to work. I took it to school. On Wednesday, Thursday, and then I rode it on Sundays. So I thought I'd just cycle the rest of the schools. But so yeah, I was at school at the time, using my GCSEs, and I was working. Blimey, sounds quite scary when I think about it, because most people get jobs at 18 nowadays. And then when I turned 17, I got 125 Suzuki GN, and that was a lovely bike. I decided to take a test for it because I'd never ridden gears before, and I took that to college every day. It was quite nice. And then I started work and still kept riding it, and then I got into a car, and then I didn't ride it for about 8 months, and then I got to 21 and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to take my A2 test. So I took my A2 test. I was given a GSX 400 1982 bike, absolutely beautiful bike. And this is when my motorbike kind of started, my motorbike life kind of started. I rode that to work, and then I kind of got bored with it, but I still went out on to weekends. I went to Birmingham, I went to so many different places with that bike. Absolutely fantastic, gorgeous bike. And then I was gonna get ready to go to Wales, and it packed up for me. I thought, oh shoot, what do I do? So I thought I'd better start looking for another bike in the meantime, if I can get this bike started and get sailed on. But then I found the GSF 650 Bandit and absolutely loved that bike. I had it for about a couple of years until I took my A test, but as I said, that's an absolutely beautiful bike. I went around Europe on it, I went around Scotland on it, I went all over the UK on that bike just to get me going, and I thought, wow. And you can see absolutely different part of views with riding bike. Then after I took my A test, and I thought, I want a bigger bike for touring. So I went down to BMW, I looked at a GSA, but they wouldn't let me test ride it because I needed more experience. So I thought, okay, I'll go Triumph. And they said I could test ride the XRT, and you know what, I loved it. I loved the power, I loved how smooth it was. So I thought, yep, I'm going to go for the XRX. It was in blue, they had it in stock, so I'm like, yes. So I bought the Triumph Tiger XRX, and I love it. I love everything about it. I can remember when riding my 50cc moped, I was given a boiler suit. And it was perfect in the cold days, but when it was warm, it was absolutely scorching. Yeah, but it still protected me. I never come off it, so that was pretty good. And then I bought a jacket off my friend that I worked with, and that's all covered in patches at the moment. But yeah, they are my 5 motorbikes.